In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new video track in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program loads, you can either create a brand new project or open one you've already been working on. Either option is fine, because the process for adding a new video track is the same. If you're following along for practice, starting a fresh project can make it a little easier to see each step clearly. After your project is open, add a video clip to the timeline. This gives you a base track to work from and helps you see where your additional track will appear. If your clip is still in the media library, simply drag it down into the timeline area. The timeline is where you arrange your clips, layer videos, and build your edit, so this is the main area we'll be using. Next, look to the left side of the timeline and find the plus button. This button is what CapCut uses to add another video track. If you don't notice it right away, take a second to scan the left edge of the track area carefully. It should be positioned beside the existing track section. Once you've found it, click the plus button. After you click, wait a moment for the new video track to appear. In most cases, it shows up right away, but depending on your system or project size, it may take a brief second. You'll know it worked when you see an additional empty track added to the timeline. Now drag a video clip onto that new track. This is useful anytime you want to layer footage, create overlays, add picture-in-picture effects, or stack multiple visual elements in the same project. Drop the clip into the new track, then adjust the clip position if needed. You can move it left or right on the timeline to line it up with the rest of your edit. This step is important because timing affects how the layered clips appear during playback. Once everything is in place, preview the project. Play through the section where your new track has been added and watch to make sure the clip appears the way you expect. This is the best time to catch any alignment issues and make small corrections before continuing your edit. Finally, confirm that the new video track has been successfully added. If you can see the extra track in the timeline and your clip is placed on it correctly, then you're all set. That's how to add a new video track in CapCut Desktop.